I've also learned this from other crocheter and I want to share it with you. So instead of going through the front and back loop, I will be inserting the hook here in this loop here. I hope you can see. Let me show you. The usual place where we insert our hook to grab the yarn is here. Okay, but to make a stronger bag, especially this is a mesh bag, I will go through this stitch here. There. Okay. I've also learned this from